what for me personally is very exciting is the fact that fashion has become a part of mainstream culture, and film and fashion seem to sort of walk hand in hand in the last year. You see a lot of trends which were really prominent, like neon colors, quirky prints. You see crop tops. You see PVC pants. You see a sort of a more stylized approach to fashion. See, Shah Rukh Khan is larger than life. So there's a sense of, with India, all the stars get emulated, and the quirkiness or the eccentricity of that style is what makes it their style. So I think with him, I think the black suits and how the dapper look, the sort of slightly edgy hair works really well. I think it'll be nice to also see a little more of a India in his wardrobe and a little bit of an Indian avatar. Salman Khan is a larger than life action hero. So there's he's probably the only actor whose style is aped from Ahmedabad to Jaipur to Bhubaneswar to God knows where. So you have like the Tere Naam middle parting, or the like you have devotees. So I think with him, that sort of bad boy style that he has, I think is bang on trend. It'll be nice to see maybe a little bit of a distressed leather, a little bit of like vintage cool, like Cary Grant meets Johnny Depp coming into his style. I think that would be nice to watch in the new year. Aamir Khan, has a sense of gentility, a sense of sophistication, and a sense of like a thinking actor, which sort of permeates his choices. He's obviously very dedicated to his promotions, and you've seen the bowler hat go everywhere. So that apart, I think for him also, see, like I said, they're all stylish now. But he's done smaller steps towards bringing in maybe a little bit of Indian textiles. Maybe wear the ban gala or wear the bandi with a kurta. I'd like to see more layering from him, I think. I think that'll be a nice thing for Aamir Khan. Saif Ali Khan is very stylish. I think he carries this British aristocracy meets, the Nawab sense of suaveness to him. I'm sure he's probably well read and very well educated in terms of matters of style, perfectly tailored suits. I think with him, while he should retain his flair for dressing up, I would like to see a little bit of more dressed down, chic, casual avatars to him also. How would probably holiday in the Mediterranean, like a linen suit worn with something else. That little bit of a dress down, because I know he can pull it off. Ranbir, I think, is not somebody who. A part of his persona is his charm, and style is almost secondary. But I think I see him more in a Ryan Gosling sort of a space in terms of whether he's shot at the airport or whether he's on screen. There's a sense of young cool to him, and I would like to sort of see him probably experiment more with that. Katrina is a very beautiful girl, and there's a certain element of classic beauty to her. So even in terms of her red carpet choices or whatever one sees, there's a definite element of classic beauty and elegance to the style. But perhaps I would like to see her pushing the envelope a little more in terms of more fashion risks. Deepika Padukone is stunning. There's, I think she also is one of the few stars who bridges or rather toes the line between fashion and elegance and still catering to a wider audience very cleverly. I think with her frame and her, her beauty, there's very few things look wrong. But she's also, I think right now, the epitome of sophisticated, polished dressing. Sonam Kapoor is a fashion chameleon. She's somebody who is deeply knowledgeable about fashion. She cares deeply and respects fashion. So when she sort of, with her, I think, that's just a guess from whatever I've seen of her and know of her. But with her, there is always a story. She's not only dressing, looking at it as an outfit, but she's looking at it as a character. Kareena again is got great skin, beautiful face. I think with her, she cleverly morphs from a fashion star wearing, like international designers, to somebody who can carry off a lehenga choli or a sari with equal aplomb. For her, I think with her beauty and her body, I think it'll be interesting to see a little bit more of casual chic sort of stemming forward, even in an Indian wear.